So today, guys, we're gonna be talking about face care, something that's truly important when you're going out on your date or you're just taking care of yourself on a general basis. So I want you guys to make sure you're taking care of your face because it's important at the end of the day when it comes down to job interviews, when it comes down to meeting new people, when it comes down to this hygiene and self-care, right? I want you guys to be your best. So I'm gonna actually introduce you to a company that actually reached out to me. So I want to present you guys with the Groomed Man. The Groomed Man comes from Australia. Shout out to Daniel for sending me this package. I really do appreciate it. And you guys sent abundant amount of products. So I'm actually going to review to you guys the face care kit. So what you're going to see here is the face fuel. And then we're going to go into the exfoliator, kind of like the scrub. And then we're going to go into the face moisturizer. So this is a kit that you can use on a day-to-day basis. At the same time, when it comes down to like scrubbing your face, you can do that like every 2 weeks or once a week, whatever your thing is. But this is generally the set you'll need to maintain your face. So this is truly important. A lot of people don't review this stuff when it comes down to men's skincare, and this is something that you should consider having. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of modern men, helping men with their styling, grooming, and health so you guys can stay at the highest level at the same time, helping out people around you. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys do yourself a favor by subscribing down below. Also drop a comment if you guys have tried this company or if you guys recommend any other companies out there. As well as always, check out all the social medias because I'll be posting now day-to-day content for you guys. At the same time, you guys can stay engaged with stuff I'll be doing on camera and off camera. So just to let you guys know, so beyond these products right here, guys, the Groomed Man company sent me multiple products, so I'm actually going to give those away to you guys because I truly can't use all of them for myself. So I actually want to give back to you guys because you guys have been supporting the channel, been supporting the growth, and this is going to be part of the 10K giveaway. So at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys instructions on how you can win the set at the same time, even the individual things. There's tons of stuff I'll be giving away in the 10K giveaway. If you're interested in that, follow the instructions at the end of the video when it comes down to that detailed part of the giveaway, and let's begin this video. So first thing I'm gonna be reviewing is the face fuel. So I'm gonna make this a little different right now. I'm actually gonna wash my face right here, right in front of you guys. The craziest thing right now, there's just like this 7-foot mirror behind this camera. So it's like I'm looking at myself, but looking at you guys as well. So don't mind that if I look away. So let's just jump into this. So just to highlight some cool features about this facial fuel, yet again, you can use it in the morning and night. Usually that's when you'll obviously wash your face. Midday, depends on your schedule. But the cool thing about this, so when it comes down to ingredients wise, 3 key aspects I want to highlight here. The first thing I want to highlight is the green tea extract. It's a natural rich antioxidant, so that's great to have. Another interesting thing about this, so second thing, it has a marshmallow extract, so that's highly hydrational. At the same time, there's antioxidants, so this is great for all skin types. Me, I have a dry skin type, I guess. It depends on the season, but I also have an oily version as well. Oily, I get made fun of when I say oil, but yeah, it has an oily skin type as well. But that's just what it is when it comes down to that. And it also has charcoal. Charcoal is something that's coming up in this modern time, especially when it comes into toothpaste a lot. I've seen Crest do it. As you guys see in the mask, it helps to unclog your pores. So having charcoal in your ingredients is not only beneficial, but you're gonna see the rewards long term, especially when you have sensitive skin like I do. All right, so let's get started. So first thing here is the facial fuel. It's the cleaning gel. So what I'm gonna do here is take 1 pump. It says actually have like 1 pump or something on your fingertip. Let me see. Apply 1 pump to your fingertip, then spread across all zones of your face to build a rich foam, and continue doing it for 30 seconds to maximize the cleaning. So boom, right there. Let me show you guys. It's like this black paste right here, so let me show you guys again. Right there. It's really late. So I'm gonna put this on my face here. My face is wet, so it should activate the foam. If not, I'll just go to the washroom. Yet again, let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can see this, and not just me, but obviously it's activating as I can see in the mirror. So obviously it's popping up a lot more. Run under your eyes, whatever. Its substance is easy on the hand. It's very smooth. You can definitely smell the green extract in it. The charcoal obviously hinting at the color tone of the solution. The marshmallow extract, I don't really know if I can smell that or not, but I can really smell the green tea extract. It does smell like marshmallows a hint, but at the same time, it feels good on my skin. It's not too potent at all. That's the great thing about this. It's not strong, and sometimes if things are too strong for me, I won't even use it long term. But this is something I'll definitely be using down the road. I can see myself using this mornings and nights. So next step, guys, I'll be putting on the face scrub. Let's open that up. So these are actually nice boxes. I actually didn't even review the boxes for you guys, but as you guys can see, this is really nice packaging. Very clean stuff, guys. In terms of packaging, looks nice. It's presented well. Definitely something you guys should be looking into. And even with this bottle, I'm actually going to show you the other products as well. Let's get my face out of there. But let's get into this face scrub. All right. Almost smells like Coca-Cola, man. So we recommend using this product before jumping into the shower, wet face as a basis. So yeah, so it's kind of straightforward when it comes down to this. I'm put a little bit on my hand right here, just on my fingertips. It's nothing crazy, just on my fingertips. You guys can see that. So it smells good. The texture is very light, which is really good for someone like me, because I have such a heavy face. What I mean by heavy face, I mean like oily face, and I don't tend to have a lot of things on my face because it just doesn't work for my skin type, because I just get a lot more oily, especially when I eat certain foods or apply certain things. So when I put this on, it's very light. Sorry for the noise, but it just stuff is very light. So I'm gonna rinse this off right now, then we're gonna jump into the next step. So after you wash off the scrub, now we're gonna be applying the face moisturizer. So I have it right here. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Boom. It is in a clay-like texture. I like the theme of it all. It's all dark colors, dark tones. Goes with the brand, goes with the style of these products. This is like moisturizer. I actually have used this before. I highly recommend this. I honestly like this a lot. I'll talk more about moisturizers as I put this on. So when it comes down to ingredients, it does have high concentration within oils. At the same time, oils. But also has a black tea extract, and it has a charcoal compound as well. So let's just apply this right now. I might put a little more than necessary, but on my face here, I don't know. Just put it wherever wherever it is on your face. I don't know where to put it on my face. I just put it on my face. But yeah, cover all areas. I put a little too much, but I'll put it on my arms or something. I don't even need to wear this, but yeah, before you go out, this is something you should be doing. It's like the last step to the process. Cover your face. So make sure that's all in your face. I personally don't rub too hard on my face because I'm really sensitive, so I just take it easy on my face. When it comes down to doing this stuff, guys, I want you guys to feel good when you guys are putting these products on. I want you guys to feel your best, and that's the feeling I get when I use these products. After you put that last step on, I want you guys to get yourself together, get yourself ready to go out the door. Have a great day or have a good night. It depends on when you're using these products. But yeah, that is pretty much the final step. So I want to give a big shout out to Daniel's team for sending me these products. At the same time, not only these ones I featured, but the other ones I'm going to be giving away to you guys. But this is just tremendous. I really do appreciate it. And that being said, I actually want to highlight something that they actually got featured in. So they got featured in GQ, and this is actually for their beard oil. So they do have beard oil, guys. So this is the beard oil that actually got featured on the GQ. This is something I'm actually going to be giving away as well. So if you guys want this is the beard oil. check out the links down below for that direct link to the company. At the same time, here is the information on the 10K giveaway. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys, I'm going to be giving away a lot of products for you guys. I'm talking about beard oils, I'm talking about skincare, I'm talking about menswear gear as well. So a lot of things to be given away on the live stream. When it comes down to the 10K giveaway, I'm going to be announcing the people as well. At the same time, guys, I'm going to show you guys what else I'll be featuring in the giveaway. So the Groomed Man company sent me a lot of products. So this is something I'll be giving away. This is a bamboo charcoal body scrub right there. We got 8 beard oils in total. One is going to be the one that is featured in GQ, is going to be this one right here. We got beard oils for days, guys. So let me just highlight a few of these so you guys can see what they are. Probably the biggest thing out this bunch is a shampoo and conditioning kit. If you guys are out there, you guys like to style your hair. Me, I keep my hair short, so I don't need to do much styling. So this will be beneficial for someone out there. Shampoo and conditioner, very, very important stuff when it comes down to hair care. This is something that is pretty important. If you guys are interested in this, just let me know. Put it in the comment section down below. So the first thing you guys are gonna have to do is just follow me on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, and at the same time I'll be posting out content regarding the giveaways. So it might just be like a Q&A, question and answer, but at the same time I'll be drawing off like a raffle. So yet again, you guys would be seeing an abundant amount of things given away on a 10K giveaway live stream. Yet again, guys, thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of modern man, helping men with their styling, grooming, and health. So we're on the verge of reaching 10K, then we do 20, then we do 30, and then 50. I'm projecting 50 by the end of this year. Shoot for the stars, you'll get the moon. That's my prerogative, guys, when it comes down to goal setting, but I'm projecting we're gonna hit this, and I'm gonna work my butt off to get us there. At the same time, guys, thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of modern man, helping men with their styling, grooming, and health, so you guys can basically level up to the highest level at the same time helping out people around you. My name is Tulu, and I'll see you guys in the next video.